Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Business Environment and Communication. My topic name is Human Research Business Environment. What is human research management in business environment? Human research management including talent acquisition, onboarding, training and development, performance management, compensation and benefit, employee relation and compliance with labor law and regulation. Human research management is not just administrative function but a strategy partner that contribute to the overall success of an organization. Strategic human research management. Strategic human research management involved aligning human research policy and practice with an organization objectives. It entitled developing human research strategy that support the organization mission, vision and value and contribution its long-term success. Functions of human research management. Human research management encompasses various functions that collectively contribute to managing and developing an organization's human capital. These human research functions include talent acquisition. Human research is responsible for developing effective recruitment and selection strategy to attract and hire the benefit fit candidate for an organization includes job description, posting job, conducting interview, conducting background, making job offer, training development. Human research manager is responsible for identifying employee training and development need and designing and implementing relevant training program to enhance their skill, knowledge and ability. Contacting training needs assessment, designing training modules, delivering training program, evaluating their effectiveness. Human research management also involves career development initiatives such as monitoring, coaching and successing planning to help employee grow or advance in their career. Performance management. Human research management are responsible for setting performance expectation, providing regular feedback and evaluation employee performance. This include designing and implementing performance appraisal systems that are fair, transferred and aligned with an organization goals and objectives. Human research management always involve addressing performance issue and providing support and guidance to help employee improve their performance. Compensation and benefit. Human research management are responsible for designing and mapping compensation and benefit programs that are competitive and fair. They include conducting market research to determine appropriate compensation level, managing employee benefit such as healthcare insurance, determined plan and paid time off, and administrating compensation benefit program and compliance with legal requirement. Employee relation. Human research management plays a crucial role in fostering positive employee relation in modern organizations. This includes developing and implementing policy and procedure that promote a safe and inclusive work environment, prevent discrimination and ensure compliance with labor law and regulation. Human research management also involves managing employee grievance, conducting investigation and resolving conflict. Developing workforce policy. Developing workforce policy is a crucial function of human research management that involves creating and implementing policy and procedure that govern the behavior and conduct employee in the workforce. The policies serve a guidelines for employee to follow and ensure that the organization operate fairly, consistently, and competitively. Developing effect workforce policy essential in maintaining a positive work environment, promoting employee productivity. Human research management responsible the developing workforce policy in various areas, employee behavior, code of conduct, anti-discrimination and harassment, employee level and attendance, performance management, data privacy and security, social media usage, dress code, health and safety. Other responsibility of human research management: diversity, equality and inclusion. Change management. Organization undergo frequently change in today's fast-paced business environment, such as merger acquisition, restructuring, technological advancement. Employee well-being. Employee well-being is an important aspect of HR department in modern organization. HR system of software. In today's original age, human research has become more efficient and effective through human research system and software. Human system software come in various forms: HR information system, talent management software, performance management software, learning management system, payroll system. Thank you.